I'm Cody Lofton. I'm a supervisor here for Whiteds Environmental. Also run the CCTV division. So right now we're in Shreveport, Louisiana. We're right on the side of Clyde Fant Park, just next to the Red River. We're doing a job right on the edge of the road, so safety's a little bit of a concern. So we got some barricades out. Our guys are safe. They're wearing their safety vests, hard hats, safety glasses. While they're hydro excavating, nothing gets on them that shouldn't be on them.
Well, hydro excavation is we're basically digging a hole, except we're not using track hoes or shovels, we're using water. It's a cleaner, quicker way to dig a hole versus the traditional way using tractors, backhoes, and excavators.
Around this little perimeter right here, we're going to go about 2.5 foot. And then here in the center, we're going to make like a circle. We're going to go down about 3 foot. And this is going to, this whole little box right here is going to be about 2.5 feet itself.
Right now they're cutting the water on, getting everything set up, and they're about to start hydro excavating this hole right here. As far as speed and time frame on jobs, it's a big deal, because when you bid a job, obviously you want to do as quick as possible, because the quicker you can do it, the cheaper you can do the job, which makes the customer happy. So making sure we do the job correctly, quickly, and clean, making sure that it's the best product when we're done. We don't have trash all over the place. Like hydro excavating, it's a very dirty job. You're spraying mud all over the place.
It's a filthy job. Not clean for us. I mean, we get a little dirty, but that's part of the job, though. We get dirty so this area can stay clean.
So to make sure that we're cleaning up when the job is done, make sure there's no mud on the road, make sure everything's in clean working order, clean our material and our equipment before we leave. So when we're done, we'll make sure to set the pipe up, pull and vacuum, and we'll wash everything to that pipe, which is going to put it on the truck. We want to keep everything off the road, and then we'll clean our equipment, suck all that into the truck. That way when we leave here, we have a clean truck to drive down the highway and get back to our office.